So I noticed that there is a Mattel curse. I call it the Mattel curse Wave 7. And I think it's coming back. We have another, I guess, version of it. I see it coming. I can see the future because they overstocked Wave 7, and Wave 7 still to this day I have nightmares about. But we got way too many of the cartoon collections. We got a ridiculous amount. So many that I I feel like they skipped over a wave with the cartoon collection and went straight to, I think this is wave 2 or 3, but it's gonna fill the shelves for a really long time. We're gonna have evil lens just coming out of our ears. It's gonna be ridiculous. This is why I think they need to dial back on so many uh, different, I guess, versions of one series at once. It's getting insane. I don't know who's in charge of making the decisions at Mattel, but it's ridiculous. I mean, I think they're just releasing another Stranger Things 2 pack, and the first Stranger Things 2 pack didn't do so well. But if you're going to release a Stranger Things Motu 2 pack, why not start with making kid versions of classic characters that would still be compatible with the Masters of the Universe line? I mean, when I think of Stranger Things, I think of little kids. So it would be kind of cool to have those those kid bodies for customs, and just to have little extras. Uh, it'd be so cool to have a small Prince Adam or a small King Randor or Caldor. This Ray Wyatt is still too much. Why is it when they mark down any Motu stuff, it's always a ridiculous amount? But this is what I think of when I think of Motu. We try to tell them one thing, and they just do another. We tell them round peg, uh, round hole, and they do the opposite. They go round peg, square hole, oblong peg, square hole. They always use the square hole. I don't understand. There's so much stuff that we're asking for that would add to the line, but they just do the opposite. So, man, I wish there was like a petition or something. You know what? I'm gonna look for a petition. I'm gonna post it and see what we can do, because I'm tired of them going to the square hole constantly. Sometime when they release a new line or a new wave, I feel like the poor girl in the video. It's getting out of hand.